I'm still in the alley. I'm waiting on Jet. I don't know exactly where the men's Tiswa is, but there was mine. So, here we go. I don't know where he is. Little Ivan. Sayonara. It's one of those cool carts. That's a cool taxi right there. There's some more Hutong. Entrance to it. Seem to have lost Jet. I hope he reappears. Maybe the men's bathroom is further down this way, but I'm not sure.